Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Portis, a user-friendly platform found at https://www.portis.io. Portis simplifies cryptocurrency management and blockchain interaction, eliminating the complexities typically associated with these technologies. It offers a streamlined approach to managing digital assets, making it accessible to both newcomers and experienced users. With Portis, you bypass the need for browser extensions or complicated installations. It functions as a secure digital wallet, conveniently integrated into your web browsing experience. This means you can seamlessly interact with decentralized applications, DApps, without the cumbersome setup often required. Portis prioritizes security, employing robust measures to protect your cryptocurrency holdings. Your private keys are encrypted and stored securely, shielded from potential vulnerabilities. This emphasis on security is paramount in the cryptocurrency space, providing peace of mind while navigating the digital asset landscape. Furthermore, Portis offers a recovery mechanism, allowing you to regain access to your assets even if you lose your device or forget your password. This recovery feature is a crucial safeguard, preventing permanent loss of your valuable cryptocurrency. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks, expanding its utility across the diverse ecosystem of digital assets. This broad compatibility ensures flexibility and allows users to manage a variety of holdings within a single, unified platform. Portis is constantly evolving, regularly adding new features and functionalities to enhance the user experience. This commitment to ongoing improvement reflects the dynamic nature of the blockchain industry and ensures Portis remains a cutting-edge solution for cryptocurrency management. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or a seasoned investor, Portis offers a user-friendly and secure gateway to managing your digital assets. Its intuitive interface and robust security features combine to create a powerful tool for navigating the evolving landscape of blockchain technology.